Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are using Firefox, a update was released late on Friday, March 22nd, and rolled out through the weekend. And if you use it, of course, you should probably have it already. It doesn't happen often that in between versions, Firefox issues security updates, but this time around they did because of a conference called pawn2own. And there, well, in Vancouver, they've been, of course, attacking different software, trying to find security flaws, and two critical security flaws were found at the pawn2own conference on Firefox. So if you go into the upper right corner hamburger menu, go down to Help, go to About Firefox, and you will be sent to version 124.0.1. So two critical security flaws already exploited and well known, apparently. So this is thanks to the conference where, of course, the idea behind pawn2own is to find security flaws so that the different companies behind the software or hardware faults can fix it as soon as possible. So Firefox immediately fixed the two security flaws that were critical, and critical means it's extremely easy to exploit. And since Firefox, like every web browser, is your first line of defense, it is extremely important that it is up to date. So go and check it out to make sure that you are at 124.0.1, as two critical security flaws have been fixed. The rollout should have been done through the weekend. If you use Firefox, you probably have the update. If you don't use it often, go and check out to make sure that it updates to 124.0.1, and that will make sure that you stay safe while being on the internet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.